Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to overhaul the FR level FO separator vertical and horizontal shaft. In this type of separator, the bore and vertical shaft are integrated as a one unit. So the bore parts must be disassembled. The complete bore overhaul procedure can be seen in my previously uploaded video. As usual, measure the spindle shaft height before disassembling the shaft, and also measure the operating water device height. After removing the operating water device, remove the hood and O-ring. And screw the 3 screws and remove the protection plate, O-ring and protection collar. Remove the guard and O-ring. And screw and remove the spring casing. Remove the gear chamber cover. Remove the cover and unscrew the oil shield. Remove the bearing shield and oil shield. Knock out the taper pin from the worm wheel stop ring. Push the worm wheel to one side before removing the vertical spindle. Lift out the vertical spindle shaft. Remove the electric motor. Unscrew and remove the lock nut and washer. Remove the ball bearing. Remove the worm wheel together with the ball bearing. Remove the worm wheel shaft with the pressing clutch pulley. Pull off the ball bearing together with the spacer washer and upper ball race. Remove the worm conveyor. Drive off the top ball bearing and the oil fan. The worm and conveyor are found worn out. Renew the worm if the groove wear exceeds 3 to 4 mm. Inspect the spindle shaft condition. Heat the 2 ball bearings and fit them onto the worm. Heat the ball bearing and fit it onto the spindle. Fit the stop sleeve and the worm onto the spindle. Fit the conveyor. Both the worm and conveyor are renewed. Fit the ball bearing, then fit the spacer washer and upper ball race. Lift up the bottom axial ball bearing and the washer beneath it. Lift out the bottom sleeve. Inspect all parts and renew if necessary. Now you can see the bottom part assembly. Unscrew the 6 screw plugs and remove the springs and buffers. The complete set of springs must be renewed if even one spring is broken. Examine the contact surface of the buffer on the ball bearing housing. If the indentation depth exceeds 0.5 mm, renew the housing, springs and buffers. Pull off the ball bearing from the worm wheel. Inspect the worm wheel condition. Remove the coupling disc and screw the lock nut and washer. Renew the ball bearings and do not forget to lubricate them with grease. Remove the sealing washer and renew the sealing ring. Fit the worm wheel shaft. Fit the sealing washer. Fit the bottom bearing and sleeve assembly. Fill the gear chamber with gear wire. Carefully lower the spindle. Guide it into the correct position so the ball bearing is seated properly. Tighten the screws of the spring casing. Fit the guard with the O-ring. Fit the protecting collar with the O-ring and protecting braid. Fit the hood with the O-ring. Fit the worm wheel. Fit the stop ring and knocked in the taper pin. Fit the ball bearing and lock nut. Fit the bearing shield with the oil sheet. Check for smooth rotation. Install the electric motor. Install the operating water device and test both high and low operating water functions. Measure the spindle shaft height. Check the operating water device height. Assemble the ball parts. Finally, carry out a test run. Thanks for watching and see you again.